DoneRight Management. We're going to do a quick video tutorial and walkthrough at Meadow Retreat. We're upstairs in the loft, and this specific television, it's a Westinghouse. It's a little quirky in the sense that it's connected with an Xbox, and it does have a DVD player in the back of the unit. Now, in order to change the source, which your button's right here, you got to be super close to the TV. So Xbox is on the YPB setting, the AV, and then just go to DVD. Got the DVD player to go on. Now, DVDs and some of the other stuff are right in here. So in order to actually access it, the actual insertion is right here in the back of the unit. And so the main thing is that you just got to be super close to the television if you want anything to change, specifically with the source. Use your arrow keys, and you can scroll down. Go back to the Xbox, and there you have it. So if you've got any further questions regarding the utilization of the television up in the loft at Meadow Retreat, you can give us a call at DoneRight Management. Number's 208-634-0030. Cheers, and hope you guys are having a great time.